Hey, listener. Why are you still at school? It's pretty late. Huh? You are at the library, huh? You really like books. Me? I was training with All Might. The level of the class is really high, so I want to catch up, you know? Did you perhaps forget your umbrella? It's okay. You know, I often forget things too. Do you want to go with me? If I recall, our houses are near each other. Let me take you home. No, don't worry, it doesn't bother me. Not at all. Come on, I'm not too nice. Let's go. Say, listener, what books do you like? Oh, that kind. It really looks like you. Me? I don't really like books. I mean, does the All Might special comics count? Yeah, I am really a fan. I mean, I always wanted to be a hero like him, so yeah. Today? Oh, yes, I was paired with Jiro. She really is incredible with her quirk and all. If only I was a little bit faster, we could have won. But you, on the other hand, you were perfect. No doubt you won without difficulty. Yeah, Todoroki is incredible too, of course. Yeah, he's powerful too. Yeah, he is also really serious. What? Why I'm not talking? Oh, I'm sorry. I was just thinking about what? Nothing. Let's keep walking. Me? Oh, you really think what you just say? Am I really going to be a good hero? Thank you so much. These words mean a lot, especially from you. Why? Because you have a really powerful quirk and you're really strong and powerful and reliable and all. That's absolutely not because I have a huge crush on you or anything. Yeah, I messed up, right? Yeah, no, yes, I mean, I really like you. I'm so sorry. I really tried to not bother you with these feelings. I wanted to keep them to myself, but I messed up completely. After all, you're so strong and powerful. Everyone's like you, and even the teacher looks up to you. On top of that, you're really smart, so I know that you wouldn't be interested in someone like me. Yes, I'm talking too fast. Yeah, we breathe. Come on, Midoriya. Huh? Why are you laughing? Am I that ridiculous? I knew it. Huh? That's not it. That's not what? Huh? You thought I had a crush on Uraraka? What? No, I mean, she's really incredible and all, but she's my friend. The person I like is you. Of course I do. Since when? That's kind of embarrassing. I always did think, I always did, I think, yeah, I don't really know what I'm saying. Sorry, it's just you and me and... Okay, let me start. I think I always did like you since the first week of school. At first, I just thought it was admiration and all, but when you teamed up with Todoroki and you made such a great team, I was kinda jealous of him, I think. Cute? What? You don't think that's childish? Getting all jealous and all over a classmate? No. Thank you so much. I knew you were a good person. You too. You too? For real? But why? Do you really think all these nice things about me? No, I'm not crying. No. You laugh again. You know, you have a pretty smile. No, didn't say anything. So, does that mean that you'll go on a date with me?